Good morning vlog.
I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest. Only you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way.
I'm back from my nail appointment and she always eats. I literally can show her any set and she can recreate it with no issues. And I love a nail tech that can do exactly what I want, how I want it every single time, okay? Every single time she gonna do it right. This set is the perfect festive set for Valentine's Day. Like, how can you not be obsessed with it? I saw this design actually on Instagram for like the past week and it keeps popping up. So I'm like, I'm itching to get my nails done. I'm a long almond or a long square kind of girl. And it just feels so good to have my claws back. Now I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do in a couple weeks when it's time to get them done because I'm not gonna be here in Dallas. So I gotta figure it out. So if you know any nail techs in the Miami area that are fire, please drop them in the comments, please. After I got my nails done, I went to my P.O. box and I got a couple packages. So let's do an unboxing and see what I got since I've been gone. First, I have this really big box. If y'all remember, Bookie and I went to the Beyonce Bowl at the Houston Texans game, like for Christmas, and they sent us a little PR package. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I never showed y'all the other gift that I got from them, so let's get that one first. Let me just grab it really quick. If you saw the Instagram post, you already know that they gifted me this beautiful little hat. This hat is so freaking cute and I love me a party favor. This was the gift that I got on Christmas. Okay, it's this Houston Texans puffer. How cute is it? What do we think? This jacket will be put to use. Trust and believe. Another hat. This black hat. Fire, okay? Wait, is this for real? There's seasoning in here. Did they mean to put this in my box? Oh, they did. Woo! I'm like, why is there just seasoning in here? There's a whole bag full of Kinder's seasoning. I know nothing about Kinder's. We got ranch mix, we got grilling seasoning, Taco Bell? The taco blend seasoning. We got salt, pepper, garlic. I'll probably bring a couple of these with me back to Miami. Oh, it's like a crop hoodie. Cute. Bumble and Bumble sent me some stuff. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all know that I use Bumble and Bumble when it's time to like blow out my hair or straighten it. They must have seen my video. Interesting. Have y'all ever used this or even heard of this? Instant in-shower treatment with honey bond building triple bond complex. The name's not even on here, but based on this, it's giving that this is a pattern beauty package. Just because I know the yellow paper. Let's see. Yeah, I knew it. I freaking knew it. We got some curl gel and the styling custard with the styling cream. Ooh, okay. something from Bare Minerals. Something about when you get PR, I love when it's addressed to me and it's not like, you know, I'm just gonna send this person a package. I like that it's directed to me. I recently just got into wearing makeup and everything like that. And so I love trying out new things. This is pressed powder foundation. Now, I don't know what that means. And we got a crew neck. It is so soft, like buttery soft. I got the skincare products from sooooo. This product alone is over $100. This product is the Renewing Cream. This is beautiful, okay? Too Faced also sent me some goodies. Cloud Crush blush in the shade Super Candy Clouds and Berry Dreamy. These blushes will get put to use for sure. I've been seeing so many things about this brand, Amika packaging. 10 out of 10. It's giving like Barbie. You know what I mean? Hair styling oil? Ooh. What do you call these? I was gonna say like nectarine. Is that a nectarine? Let me see the consistency. I thought this was gonna be like a scalp serum when it's like cold and wet consistency, but this is actually like shiny. Nice, okay. Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. Lip Sleeping Mask. Period. That's all the PR I have for now. Like, I'm so grateful to even have gotten that. Like, one day I will have an overflow of PR, but for now I'm grateful for the bit that I get because honestly, I don't have anywhere to put it anyway. So yeah, I got my nails done. I picked up some packages. I need to film this campaign that I am so excited to share with y'all. So I'm gonna film this campaign really quick and then I'm gonna come back when it's time to eat because I'm trying out this new vegan spot and I wanna give y'all my first impression. So be right back. So this is, let me see if y'all can see, vegan mac and cheese. And this is vegan Salisbury steak. And it literally looks like steak, but it's lion's mane mushroom. So I'm excited to try this. White rice, broccoli, onions, green peppers, and red peppers. So let's try the mac and cheese. Hold on. Honestly, I would give the mac and cheese a 6. The Salisbury steak adds air quotation marks and some rice. Now this, I can really get into. Y'all know I love mushrooms. So this Salisbury steak, give it an 8 out of 10. Very good. The place that I ordered from was Iconic Vegan Cafe. I would definitely order from them again. They have many options. I'm just gonna finish this little portion. Hey friends, it's a new day and your girl is already back in Miami. I literally look like I've been flying. I came home to this. Look at this. Also, look at Kobe. Hi, Kobe. Hi, Papa Bear. How cute. She's at shit around right now because she has a game tonight. But that was cute. I walked in and I was like, you know, I kind of like felt that she was going to do something like this because I've been gone for 2 days and that's just what she does. My flight was at 5:01 this morning and I kind of had a rough time in the airport, but that's beside the point. But I just got back to Miami. I am tired, I'm exhausted. As much as I wanna put everything away, it's gonna have to wait. I'm just gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna take a nap, okay? Y'all, there's no game today. It got canceled. Well, no, it didn't get canceled. The other team forfeited, so Vinyl got the win. So that's good news. Let's see what the hype is about.
Okay, so I had some struggles at first, I'm not gonna lie.
All right, just minding my business, not about to do nothing. And then Marina calls, Oreos, you ready? Threw my clothes on, came running.
Okay, what did you do?
Oh, wait, everybody say hi to Lala.
Hey guys.
Oh, you got an apron. They start reading like her apron. I just know.
Oh, period, Under Armour, and it had it.
Wow. Wow.
Does it go over the
That
ears?
is so cute. That's cute.
Also got stickers.
Ooh, let me see. Cooking with Mabry.
Okay, we don't have one.
Cooking with Mabry.
Ain't no next game. Our game got canceled, so
Yeah,
I
why
can
is
eat
it
all this
canceled?
and throw up tonight, and I'll be okay.
Oh.
Like, all right. Oh, where's my napkin? Hold on.
Yes.
I like this. These are fire.
They did that.
These are so good.
They actually really helped. I might have to do my shows on live forever.
That
Yeah, I already have
10
one.
out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Fried Oreos were 10 out of 10. These are my shoe options, okay? We have the white Forces. We have these burgundy pumps. I wanted to be a little edgy tonight, okay? I want to be a little edgy and also very sexy and cute, not too much. These, super sporty and the go-to shoe, but I just want to switch it up a little bit, so let's see. And I was thinking, white bag, or simply this may be just too much white. What do you guys think? Let's see the other option. Or what do you think about this? It's giving edgy and cute. White bag and these shoes. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, so I know I have these burgundy ones on, but hold on. How do I feel about the black ones? What do you guys think? Come on, babe.
And here we go, let's get it. A good one, so strong to the right.
Get it, babe.
And take it, stick with the defense. Here we go. A good one. Hold on, to the left, strong. Gets her own rebound, stops and pops. And he's no good, let's go. Up. She's gonna stop and pop.
Oh.
Skylar with the rock. She stops, she pops, she looks at me. Still no good. Defense for defense. Crossover behind the back. She goes left. She stops, she pops, fade away. Smith, crossover right to the basket. And it is. Back to Sky crossover. Back to her left hand side. She's gonna spin with a fadeaway. Not enough. Hey, ladies, there's a lot of energy in this match. You go over while straight to the basket. Turn right. She stops. She pops. Between the legs, a little razzle down, here we go. She shoots, she lands a
Come on, baby.
She stops, pops, 4 more. Back again to her left. Good defense. She said, give me that body. Nothing. Back to a little line. She's heavy, pop, stops. It is. Go back to my action. Arike cross back over to the right.
Let's go, baby.
Next 3. Good win for either of the players. Body to body, here we go. Driving to her left, she shoots. Here we go, ladies. Tee up, good defense. Strong defense. Good with the step through. Another body to body.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Arike. You advanced on to the next round.
We made some money, Papa. We made some money, Papa Bear. Yes, we made some money. More dog food for you, boy. More dog food for you.
Good morning, vlog. As you can hear, I lost my voice, but I wanted to properly close out this vlog and also congratulate my baby for winning 2 times in a row on the 1 vs. 1. We got 25K.
Locked in.
We got 25K. Next move is 200K. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching this vlog. I'm gonna drink my tea because we can't be having this. Cheers. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Say hi, Kobe. Say bye, Kobe. Pa. Pa, pa, pa. Pa.